Add this beautiful style by Chinese Laundry to your wardrobe this season. They feature a synthetic upper with an open-toe silhouette and a wide band that goes over the vamp to lock them into place with a wide opening made for easy slip-on. They have a clear design from heel to toe, giving you a trendy look with some large pearl and studded detailings on the vamp that gives you a semi-formal look, making them perfect for a reception. Inside, there is a synthetic lining with a smooth footbed and the logo is printed at the heel. You'll get lots of flexibility, making them perfect for all-day wear, and it's all on top of a textured synthetic outsole. Slip into these with a cute dress.